All right, y'all. So like I said, I'm doing the speakers today. Can't forget. So I went to Auto Trim Design. I was just going to test them out and see if they're going to, you know, withhold information or not, but they didn't. They passed my test. But so what we're doing right now is I cleared the copper, as you can see right here on, that's the truck side. And then here's the new it'll focus. I cleared the copper on these wires, right? Got rid of the sheaths, right, with the crimpers, so that I can hook up the new Pioneer speaker to the truck. But it's got a new connection versus the old one, which is right here. So you can see the connector, the original connector is right there on the old speaker, right? Not that I don't think that was not working, but what you have to do is you just cut it, right? Don't be scared. Just try some shit, y'all. Anything can be fucking fixed. There's an answer for everything. But sometimes you just gotta do some shit yourself, right? So cleared this, cleared those. I got my solder gun. I'm gonna solder these together, heat shrink the exposed copper, electrical tape it, right? Then I have this new wire, right? And then what happens is there's a positive, right? It's a little thicker or thinner. So that's the negative side right there, right? Black and white line, solid white line. So positive, negative. They're smaller. And on the new speaker, as you can see, there's a thinner tab and then there's a thicker tab. So thicker is positive, thinner is negative. Thick positive, thin negative. Oh, damn. That works out in life. But so I just wanted to show you guys that real quick. And then once I get everything soldered together, I'll try to show you guys some soldering. But I only have one hand. My brother's upstairs. But this is what I do when I'm bored. I try to learn some shit. I learned this in California when I broke my freaking taillight on my Ram. Picked up a solder gun. I knew that, you know, you could fix something. You can always do it. But I know also I have to drill 4 holes in the cab real quick as well. So once I get that done, I'll show you guys that, how I'm doing that. But then I'll solder these 2 lines together. And then I'll plug in the new speaker, get it mounted, keep it rolling. Yeah. As you can see, got my holes drilled. They're looking good. They're probably not going to be like super perfect, like straight up and down. You know, I'm trying to do this, you know, in my mom's driveway. So, but holes are drilled. Now I'm going to braid these wires up real quick. And then probably have to run to Home Depot real quick and grab some screws, because the mounting that they have for these is if I was able to remove this entire section and then put this back on from the out. Like, I can't get inside here for the hardware to bolt it up. It has like a very tiny nut washer and a very small bolt set up to hold it onto this thing, but I can't take this assembly off. This is the cab. So I'm gonna have to go get some screws, probably try to get some Loctite and some washers, and then I can mount this up. But I'm gonna try to wire this up, hook the speaker up, and see if it fucking works. If it works, cool beans. Then I know I did some shit right. But I'll have to take the power wagon because I don't want to drive this without the speakers being mounted. So that's where we're at. Oh shit, I almost forgot. All right, y'all. So it is not. Okay, can you focus? iPhone? I guess not. Paid all this money for a phone that can't focus. Oh my god. Holy crap. Oh, you almost had it. You goofy. There it is. Okay, so that's the best I'm going to get. So solder, done. Heat shrink is going to go over here in a second. So the positive is already done. So I'm just going to slide this on. I know there's a bunch of electricians out there that are probably going to freaking see this and be like, oh my god, that looks like crap. Well, you know, suck my balls. Either way, heat shrink, new ends are on, and solder's done. So now I'm just going to shrink the heat shrink, obviously, around the new wire connecting these two. And then I'll electrically tape these bad boys. Then I'm going to hook the speaker up, test it out, and see if it works. That really only took 30 minutes, and that, I'm sure, to an expert, probably will take a lot less time. But this is what it is. It's that easy. New speaker going on. There you go. You can see the wire shrunk around the solder and all that jazz. So now it's on there pretty good. You can even see like the wire right here. So now I'm just going to electrical tape this bad boy all the way around. Get them together, but, you know, separated. And then these two ends are going to get hooked up to the speaker, the new one, and see if it works. All right, y'all. So the Navy said I was too stupid to be an AD or any other rate besides, you know, an APAC sailor, and I became an AO, and I will not turn back because I just have fun now. But speaker works. That actually was not even that damn difficult. It was actually a lot of fun. I just got to go find the right size screws for what I'm trying to do with mounting it, and then that's pretty much it, y'all. Just try shit, y'all. It's not that scary, and if it is scary, that's a good thing. That means you're actually wanting to do some shit for yourself. So I'm gonna go find some screws. I love y'all. Be safe.